Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. Just finished building this beautiful 351 Windsor 400 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1967 F100 truck. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. Again, we have the 351 Windsor, double roller timing chain in there, roller lifter camshaft, aluminum cylinder heads are on there, all the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. Proper oil pan for the 67 F100 front sump oil pan. Oil pressure extensions installed for easy hookups. High flow fuel pump. Heavy duty Russell fuel line. The inline gas filter, all the fittings are installed. Brass freeze plugs, painted the Ford blue. It's real nice. Taylor ignition wires, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there. Ford Racing blue valve covers with the matching Ford Racing blue air cleaner. Distributor set in place, MSD ignition coil, aluminum intake manifold, quick fuel carburetor, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket. Every engine at the engine factory is live run for over 45 minutes. It'll be completely dialed in, ready to go. Timing will be set, carburetor adjusted. You'll see a video of your engine running in the stand. Manifold vacuum reading, oil pressure, cold and hot, water temperature. Drop in ready. We also have the real nice Raptor pulley kit on there. We have the high flow aluminum water pump on here. Self-tensioning belt tensioner, heavy duty 8-rib belt. It's a real nice system. It has an idler right here. Later on, if customer ever wants to add AC, you can just remove the idler, put the AC compressor right in the existing place, even use the same belt. So that's a nice feature. We have the 160 amp, one wire hookup, chrome alternator, power steering pumps on there. It's just the way you get it. Complete custom built for your vehicle. 351 Windsor, 400 horsepower, turnkey package engine. Thanks for watching.